My name is Leonardo Pinoy and I'm going to teach you how to solve an area of rectangle. A rectangle has a diagonal of 10 cm and a length of 8 cm. Find the area of the rectangle. First is you have to draw a rectangle. It has a diagonal of 10 cm. Sorry for the line, so 10 cm. And has a length of 8 cm. So remember, the formula for the area of the rectangle is length times width. So as you can see, we have length but we don't have width. So let's write W here that represents width. So to find the value of the W or width, notice that after I what you call this, after I diagonally cut this, it forms a right triangle. So here we are gonna use Pythagorean theorem. So 8 squared plus W squared is equals to 10 squared, or 64 plus W squared is equals to 100. And subtracting 64 from both sides, gives the answer W squared equals 36. And after that, we have to square root the both sides. Which gives the answer of width is equals to 6. So we solve the width so we can find our area. So our length is 8 cm times the width 6, which gives the answer of 48. So the answer is 48 square centimeter. Notice that we include square centimeter in our final answer because we are given centimeter in our unit in the original problem. That's how to solve an area of a rectangle. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nehemiah Villena, and I'm going to show you how to find the area of a triangle. Find the area of the triangle shown. So we have the sides 20, 20 and the base as a 24. On finding the area, we have the formula we have the formula, area is equal to 1/2 base times height. Now, we have the base, which is 24, but we doesn't have the height. In fact, we doesn't have any signs here on finding the height itself. So we're going to put it ourselves. We can put h in here, which represents the height. And let's look at the segment. This is an isosceles triangle, but because of the segment that we have put for the height, it is now divided into two congruent right triangles, and we're going to use the right congruent triangle for us to solve for height. Now we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Now it is the height squared raised to 12 squared. Now, to ask the question, where did we get this 12 squared? Because we divided the isosceles triangle, which has the original length of its base of 24. Now that it is divided, each side would now have 12 of the length of each base of the congruent triangle. So that is where 12 came from. Now, and 20, which is the right side of the right congruent triangle. Now, for short, it would be, to solve this, it would be having this answer, we would now divide each side with 144. But this will then lead us to h squared is equal to 16. Is equal to 256. Now, dividing each side, getting the square root, we would then have the answer h is equal to 16. Now that we have the answers, the value of height, which is 16, we could then now write it here, 16. Now that we have the height and we have the base, we can now solve for the area. Now the area then is equal to 1/2 times the base, which is 24, times the height, which we have is 16. Then A is equal to 24 times 16, that would be 384 times 1/2. Now the final answer then would be area is equal to 192. This 192 is the area of the original triangle that we have in the problem. Thank you. And that's how to solve the area of a triangle.